Well, the day is here. This is the last day of work on the Rotterdam. I have two tasks to accomplish. The first will be to reattach some of her doors on the superstructure. Dubbelman just used little rectangles of brown paper, and those, a lot of those, the adhesive failed and they fell off when I cleaned the model. So those will go back on. Her water slide transfer paper arrived yesterday. It was printed and it was sealed, and I will be able to apply her decals today, the final step. Once that's done, I'm going to take a series of photos that match the original photos I took when she arrived in the shop, so I'll have a great before and after reference. I'll probably make a video using those so you can get a good idea of the changes she has undergone. Once the photos are taken, she'll go under glass, she'll be wrapped up and ready to go home. So let me get to it, and I'll see you on the other side. And there you have it. The Rotterdam is now done. I logged about 100 hours of labor putting this model back together, bringing her back to life, fabricating missing parts, but well worth it when you look at it. And what a tour de force in model making as a travel agency display in brass. Nobody was doing that in the middle of the 20th century, but Dubbelman did. Holland-America was obviously proud of their new flagship, and it shows. So I'm going to take my airbrush with no paint and just blow any specks of dust off the model before I put her under glass and wrap her up, and she'll be soon on her way home. So thank you for joining me, and I hope you enjoyed the images. I hope you'll enjoy the before and after photos I will post with this video, and I hope you'll stay with me as I move on to the next ship on the bench, the Baltica. That ought to be fun. So take care, and I'll see you soon.